How to delete Snapchat call history. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to delete Snapchat call history. Without further ado, let's get started. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure that you sign into your account and your camera screen will appear. Tap Bitmoji in top left corner of your screen. Navigate to Profile and then tap the gear icon at top right to access settings. Now you have to scroll down to the bottom and find out account actions section. Here you need to tap on clear conversation and then tap on the X icon next to the name. Tap on clear. This will clear the conversation from your feed. It will not delete any saved or sent messages in your conversation. A prompt will appear to tap clear to confirm. You simply need to do that, just I did. So note this removes conversation from your feed but won't delete saved or sent messages. You can repeat the same step for other users if needed. And with that, you will successfully delete a Snapchat calls history permanently. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.